Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will teach you how to fix Discord zoomed in problem. So if you are facing this problem on your Discord account, watch this video till the end, and if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to open your Discord mobile application and log into your account. Once you will do it, on the right bottom you will see emoji, just tap on it. Now scroll up and you have to go to the appearance from here, and now scroll up and here you will see zoom level. So simply adjust it to the 100%. So once you will do it, go back and tap a while on the Discord application, go to the info, and here you will see two options, storage and the cache. Tap on it and clear cache from here. Once you will do it, your problem will be solved. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.